Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see a admission notification. So it is from Central University of Haryana. So it has been accredited with A grade by NAC accreditation, and it has UG, PG as well as MPhil and PhD courses. So hereby we will see the name of the courses and subject specific program name and intake and eligibility. So here comes the Bachelor of Vocation courses in Retail and Logistic Management, Biomedical Sciences, and Industrial Waste Management. So here the course number of seats intake is 63, 50, 50. Here they are having a 3-year LLB in professional course. So the LLB is subject to approval of the Bar Council of India. So any degree is the eligibility here, and it has 120 seats. So here you can see that BTech in computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, printing and packaging technology. So here the number of seats is 75, 60, 60, 40. Overall total seat is 518. So here comes the PG program. So here MA in economics, MEd education, BEd in education, MA history and archaeology, MA political science, MA psychology, MA sociology. Here comes the seats is 40, 30, 125, 30, 40, 40, 30. So here the MSc in chemistry, here it is 50 seats, and MCA computer science and information technology it is 50. Master of library and information science it is 25. So MSc in environmental studies it is 38 seats. MSc in geography it is 50 seats. So MA journalism and mass communication, MA English and foreign languages, MA in Hindi it is 25, 40, 25. So here MCom commerce is 50 seats, and LLM law it is 25 seats. So MBA is 50 seats, and then MSc in mathematics, physics, astrophysics, statistics 50, 50, 30 seats. And then you can see that MSc in microbiology, biochemistry, nutrition biology, biotechnology. So number of courses are each 31. So MHMCT it is tourism and hotel management 30, 15 seats. You can see that those who have specific degree it is changing. There is a MSc in yoga and then MA in Sanskrit. Those seats are 15 each. And M Pharm pharmacology it is subject to approval of Pharmacy Council of India. So there it is 10 seats. So MPed physical education and sports it is subject to approval of the National Council for Teacher Education. So here the 30 seats are there. You can see that there are several MPhil programs. It is in economics, English and foreign languages, Hindi, as well as history and archaeology, political science, sociology. The seats comes like respectively 3, 7, 3, 1, 11, and then 3, and then 8. So the total number of seats is MPhil is 36. You can see that the PhD programs here it is 172 seats are there in PhD programs like PhD in biochemistry, biotechnology, chemistry, commerce, English and foreign languages, Hindi, history and archaeology, law, management studies, mathematics, microbiology, nutrition, biology, physics and astrophysics, political science, sociology, statistics, education, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, psychology, geography, pharmaceutical sciences, physical education and sports, tourism and hotel management, yoga. So these all seats you can see that overall it is 1858. So to apply online I will give the link in the description box. By clicking to CU set you can apply. So if you would like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel.